Hello everyone and welcome to this Data Plus tutorial, where I'm going to show you a new input type, the slider input. It enables the user to define a numerical value within a range of values defined by a minimum and a maximum value as well as a step size. You might remember that in one of our previous videos, we designed a checkbox to specify whether a sales position is eligible for a discount. Today we want to define the discount percentage with the help of a slider. We want to define a range between 0 and 5% as a standard discount, but as always, we need to create a new column first to store our data. This time, I want to show you a different approach for generating a new column. Until now, we always created a new column on the Data Plus management site, but this is also possible from within the edit mode of our Qlik worksheet. We simply go to the Settings section of the Properties panel and open the menu of the Server subsection. Then we can click on the New Column button and type in a matching name like discount_percentage. We submit by clicking OK, close the dialog, and then we can switch to the Data section of the Properties panel and add a new Data Plus column. We select the slider as our desired input element and begin to determine the specifics. The name of the column will be called Discount Percentage. We said that we want to have a range between 0 and 5%, so we type in the values accordingly, and at last we set the step size to 1. Now we exit the edit mode and try to test our new slider. After we determine the percentage of each sales position that we want to modify, we click on Save. To verify the changes, we can switch to the Data Plus administrative site. Here we go to our table and press the refresh button to see the results. An important aspect that you should keep in mind is that there are no other data types but text inside the Data Plus table. In this case, our numerical value is saved as a text, and sometimes an explicit data transformation is necessary to use it for calculations. Thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss any updates regarding the Data Plus suite, please subscribe to our channel.